Hello to you. Mark Hall here with your weekly fine wine investment market update. Today, Thursday, the 6th of June, 2013. Okay, the results from LiveX are in for May, so let's quickly run through those, starting with the indices. I won't be going into any great details with regards to these indices and what they represent, as by now you're probably already familiar with them. So we'll just plunge straight into them. Okay. The LiveX 50 index, well, that finished down, as did the LiveX Fine Wine 100 index. And so did the Bordeaux 500 index, and finally so did the Investable index. The good news is that the falls last month were very small, and due entirely, in our opinion, to the negative effect the Entrepreneur campaign had on the market as a whole. That campaign is now over, and thank heaven for that. So, what does this mean going forward? Well, we think that the market will resume its gentle upward path from this month going forward, with the possible exception of the LiveX 50 index. Now, this is the index that's made up entirely of first growths, and as we have been stating for quite a few months now, it's a sector that is probably not what investors should be currently looking at. Despite this negative trend, many wines actually did very well in May. For example, the top mover in the LiveX 100 index in May was the Acan 2007, and that was actually up 8.28%. On May the 29th, the Parvy 2008, a chateau that we've been buying quite a lot of over the last few months, well, that hit a record high of £1,520 per case on the exchange, from a low of around about the £900 per case mark. That brings us on to other news. Another group of alleged wine investment scam artists are currently in court, as can be read about on our news site, the Wine Market News. Now, it allegedly appears that this is the same, well, basically the same old story. Cold calling ballroom, high pressure selling to private investors, and then running off with their money. It frankly amazes us that anyone will still fall for this type of scam, to be honest, which is rife in many industries. So I thought I'd leave you with a word of advice, which is very simply this. If you want to buy fine wine for investment, well, just don't fall for a cold call. However, if you'd like to buy and sell wine from LiveX at industry prices, using our unique trading platform, well, just give us a call, or even register for an account. Our details are on the screen. That's it for this week, and I look forward to seeing you next Thursday.